Have you ever experienced the one night where you just couldn't sleep because of the annoying dripping noise? You feel annoyed, but you just don't want to get out of your bed and fix it. Well, you don't have to. Introducing Bucket Mini, the eco-friendly home device where you can solve everything. After using Bucket Mini, no matter it's not closing the tap tightly or not even closing the tap, you'll never hear the annoying dripping sound ever again. You want to wash your car and you want to use the hose, but you're lazy to close the water. Let Bucket Mini save the day. Just put your hose inside and you won't need to close the tap. Same goes with your shower too. Want to use shampoo without closing your tap? Use Bucket Mini to save more water. If one is not enough, you can always have two. Bucket Mini. Never closing your tap again.